Are you looking to spend some of your best summer vacations ever in your own backyard oasis? If so, I've got just the home to tell you about. Hi, I'm Tony Meyer with Windermere Real Estate. We are up in English Hill in Redmond, and as English Hill area's top-selling broker for the last 17 years, I'm pleased to present to you a fabulous home. We're in the neighborhood of Sheffield. We're back in a cul-de-sac about a half a block away from the award-winning Sunrise Elementary. We're going to be taking a look at a two-story home that was originally built by Lozier. The home is 3,786 square feet on a flat back of the cul-de-sac, 42,000 square foot lot. It is just an oasis back here. Check out this covered outdoor entertainment area. We've got heaters, gas fire pit, nice heated pool, hot tub, sport court, lawn for play. The home itself has got some gorgeous updates. It's got 4 bedrooms, den and a bonus room, 3.5 baths, plus a rec room, gorgeous spaces. This is just a fabulous home, and I know you're gonna love it.